Bitcoin, crypto, altcoins. People often use these words like they mean the same thing, but they don't. So today, we'll explain, simply and clearly, why Bitcoin is different from crypto, and why that difference actually matters. Let's start with the basics. Crypto is a big umbrella word. It includes thousands of different coins and tokens. Some are currencies, some are projects, some are experiments, some are just memes. Bitcoin is part of the crypto world, but it doesn't behave like most of the others. Bitcoin was created in 2009. There was no company, no investors, no pre-sale, and no marketing. It was released into the world for anyone to use. Most altcoins came later, often created by teams, foundations, or companies with founders, roadmaps, and tokens allocated to insiders. That origin story makes a huge difference. Bitcoin has no CEO, no headquarters, no company behind it. Thousands of independent nodes run the network worldwide. Most altcoins? They often have core teams, foundations, upgrade leaders, emergency controls. That means Bitcoin is decentralized by design, while many altcoins are decentralized. In theory, Bitcoin has one simple rule: only 21 million coins. Ever. That rule cannot be changed easily, and that's the point. Many altcoins can change supply, can mint more tokens, can rewrite the rules. Bitcoin's scarcity is predictable. Most crypto scarcity is adjustable. Bitcoin focuses on one main job, being sound, neutral money. It doesn't try to do everything. Altcoins often try to be faster, cheaper, more flexible, more feature-rich, but more features often mean more complexity and more trust in people. Bitcoin chooses simplicity over speed. Understanding this difference helps us avoid confusion. Bitcoin is often treated as digital gold, long-term savings, a monetary network. Most altcoins behave more like tech startups, high-risk experiments, speculative bets. That doesn't mean all crypto is bad, but it does mean Bitcoin plays a different game. So when people say crypto, remember, Bitcoin is not just another coin. It's different by design. If this helped clear things up, subscribe, and we'll keep learning together.